Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're not going to look at just one Hawkeye, but two Hawkeyes. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Hawkeye and Hawkeye, which is a limited edition Heroclix figure based from the Disney Plus show. Okay. By the way, if you haven't watched the show, I give it 2 thumbs up. So make sure that you get the chance to catch Hawkeye and his prodigy Hawkeye, Kate Bishop, doing their archery stuff. So anyway, so you can see here that this contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promotional figure. I got this as part of the Pasabais from Singapore. So we have here, this is exclusively sold during the Singapore Nationals 2023. Okay, and then on the top, this is of course from our favorite company, WizKids Heroclix, 14 ages and up. And at the bottom, released when 2023. So the latest limited edition from WizKids. Let's take a look at the figure itself. This one is actually has been reserved by Kale. So thank you for allowing me to still unbox it. And let's see what we have. So we have here the card and the figure. Okay, so take a look at that figure. Clint Barton and of course Kate Bishop, back-to-back action pose with their bows. Okay, I would have loved it if they added like strings or plastic for the strings, but I guess at times it gets in the way of the design. Okay, so Hawkeye OG and Hawkeye second generation. Let's take a look at the character cards. You can see that the character card is bent. That's always the challenge when you try to put it inside the box. But anyway, that can be resolved with a quick counter fold. And we see here, we have Hawkeye and Hawkeye with Shield and Avengers team ability, M23-002, Avengers, Shield, Young Avengers, Detective, and Martial Artist and Spy keywords. Lots of keywords. A trait which is called Grapple Arrow. Free, place Hawkeye and Hawkeye in a square of a different elevation within range and line of fire. Friendly bystanders named Kate Bishop can also use this trait. Okay, so it's like the Spider-Man movement from SMBA set, but better because they have 6 range, so effectively you can move them 6 squares on a different elevation. Okay, and before we get into the dial, let's take a look at other traits perhaps. And the second one is 2 Hawkeyes. Doesn't that get confusing? Once per turn, when Hawkeye and Hawkeye make an attack after resolutions, they may make an attack. So a dual attack figure at range, I guess. And at the beginning of your turn, Hawkeye and Hawkeye may generate a Kate Bishop bystander. If they do, they can't use this trait until Kate Bishop is removed from the game. So the bystander is Kate Bishop. Remember, this bystander can use this grapple arrow trait, and then she herself has a trait which is I can do anything Clint does When Kate Bishop is generated, give her a die showing any result. When Kate Bishop can use standard powers printed on the click number of Hawkeye and Hawkeye's card that matches their dice result. When Kate Bishop is KO'd, deal Hawkeye and Hawkeye 1 damage. Okay, so Clint Barton Kate and Kate Bishop, Hawkeye number 9, 2013 is the appearance. Excuse me. Okay. So, only 1 damage if you KO Kate Bishop, and she is autonomous. So, technically, you're doing also 2 attacks when you generate Kate Bishop. Interesting. For 75 points, can you only... And you can generate Kate Bishop more than once. Okay, at the beginning of your turn, you can generate even if Kate Bishop has been removed from the game, or meaning KO'd. I think you can still generate him, generate the bystander again and again. Okay, so you can choose whether he goes to whatever click number you need for that particular time of the game. Okay, so if you need a running shot piece, okay, if you need a perplex piece, or if you need a range combat expert piece. Okay, interesting. Okay, I'd probably be using this first as a double attack. Okay, double attack piece. Okay, you can running shot, and then after running shot, attack again, and then grapple arrow out of the way. So that seems very strong. Okay, 3 targets. You might be tempted to equip this figure with a pumpkin bombs to give him energy explode, precision strike. Interesting. Okay, Hawkeye and Hawkeye. So that's it. Tell me in the comments how you would play this figure. Okay, but the piece is just awesome. Sculpt awesome. 75 points, I think it's worth it. Team building. Interesting. I didn't see that coming. Bye bye everyone. Keep safe.